Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I am going to show you how to use ChatGPT to build your very own business idea generator. Super simple, super fun, and totally beginner friendly. So if you have ever been stuck thinking, I want to start a business, but what should I do? So this video is for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and if you are into smart tools and creative ideas, you're on board. So, what is a business generator? And the first thing that you need to understand is a business idea generator is basically a tool that gives you new businesses ideas. You tell it what you like, maybe your skills, your budget, or your location, and it gives you business ideas based on that. So the cool thing is with ChatGPT, you don't need to code anything, just need good prompts. So the first thing that I have here is, remember, I'm using ChatGPT 4o, the model that you pay for. So it's a very good and powerful ChatGPT. You just need around $24 a month and then you move on. So the prompt that does the magic is here, and I'm going to walk you through it. So all right, so let's build it. Build it. So open ChatGPT, then you can just go ahead and type in this prompt that I'm going to give you here. So act like a business coach. Let me put it here. Yeah, it goes. Act like a business setup coach. I want you to generate business ideas for me based on the following: my skills, then you can insert your skills there, the budget, the location, my interests, then suggest 3 unique businesses idea with your description and all that. So imagine you, let's say for example, we have, let me put there the ones that I've just estimated. So here I have my skills as a graphic designer and social media. There's my budget, $500. My location is Nairobi, Kenya. Then my interest, art, tech, helping small businesses. It's just a way of you doing it. So then you click enter. Then ChatGPT will go ahead and visualize, and boom, ChatGPT will come up with solid ideas like a freelance design, the Canva, the course for the digital stars, and all, visualizing branding agency for local SMEs. Then what is a micro agency that's given you why it fits, the setups, then the Instagram makeover services for the local entrepreneur, the digital poster, the content shop. It has also given you the social media manager for the local artists or the NGOs. It has given you the descriptions for everything on TikTok, content designer for business. What is it? You create short branded videos, for example, promo slides, slideshows, motion graphics for business to post on TikTok. It has given you why it works. TikTok is booming in Kenya and all that. So if you come from a different location, just put up that. Like if you come from a place like Germany or where, you just put it up. Then to write for you. Then a bonus, part-time tech, art studio and all that. Look at that. It has generated the best setup for you. Then you can also go ahead and refine the content of the prompts by clicking on regenerate the response. Just down here you have the copy, you have the good response, you have a bad response, read loud, there's editing the converse. You can also regenerate the whole response if you don't like it and all that. So then you can also estimate, and to make it a habit is you can just run this kind of information on every week with the new information. So try different skills, budgets, and trends. ChatGPT gives you a fresh batch of ideas whenever you feel stuck or need inspirations. So ChatGPT will help you come up with these skills. So want to make it kind of fancy, create a Google form with questions like, for example, what are your skills, what are your budget, what are your interests, then copy the responses into ChatGPT and run the prompt. Now you have got a full business idea generator anyone can use. So And that is it. Your own simple business idea generator using ChatGPT. Give it a try and let me know in the comment what ideas it came up with you for you. So if you found this video helpful, please hit that like button, subscribe for more creative AI tips, and share with someone who needs a business idea today. See you in the next, and thank you for watching.